Relative rotation graphs, commonly referred to as RRGs, are a unique visualization tool for relative strength analysis. Chartists can use RRGs to analyze the relative strength trends of several securities against a common benchmark and against each other. The real power of this tool is its ability to plot relative performance on one graph and show true rotation. We have all heard of sector and asset class rotation, but it is hard to visualize this rotation sequence on linear charts. RRGs use 4 quadrants to define the 4 phases of a relative trend. True rotations can be seen as securities move from one quadrant to the other over time. RRGs were developed in 2004-2005 by Julius de Kempenaer, who would later become the director of RRG research. While working as a side cell analyst for an investment bank in Amsterdam, he was confronted with 2 problems while producing technical and quantitative research on European sectors. First, institutional clients were much more interested in relative performance than directional forecasts. They wanted to know where to be overweight and where to be underweight in their equity portfolios. Second, these institutional investors faced an enormous information overload. They needed a tool that would clearly separate the leaders from the laggards. Enter relative rotation graphs, which solved these problems with color-coded quadrants, a ranking table and an animation feature that make it easy for investors to keep an eye on the big picture.